Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel for more information. If you're tired of blowing your account, losing trade after trade, and wondering why some traders grow slowly but never crash, then this video might be the most important forex lesson you will ever learn, because today I'm going to show you a low drop down strategy that most profitable traders use, but nobody explain it properly to forex beginners and also to forex intermediate. Now, here is the truth. The biggest lie in forex is that you need high profit to succeed, which is actually a lie, a big lie. No, you don't need high profit to succeed. What you actually need is a low drop down, because traders who survive are not the ones making the most money. They are the ones losing the least trade. And in this video, I will be breaking down a simple beginner-friendly strategy that focuses on protecting your account first and then growing it seconds by seconds. Now, this is a secret nobody tells you about. Let me reveal something most traders and most YouTubers won't tell you. Your success in forex is not based on how much you win. It is based on how well you control your losses. This is called drop down. The amount your account drop before recovering is called drop down. Now, beginners most times in forex focus on profit, while professionals focus on drop down. It is not you looking for the profit by all means, but the ability to minimize your drop down. And that is the difference between professional and beginners in forex. Now, this is how drop down strategy works. A low drop down strategy is simply you aiming at a small loss and you are being able to control your wins or your profit. So instead of risking 10%, 20% in one trade, you only risk 1% or less in that particular trade. Now, this means that even if you lose 10 trade, you are still in the game. You are still trading. Now, this strategy is actually very simple. Let me break it down step by step. Now, only high profitable zones such as support and resistance, market structure, that's higher lows, and then demand supply, with other high profitable zones for you to be able to use to trade. You don't trade everywhere. You trade only where the market is most likely to react at. And secondly, you wait for confirmation. Patience is the edge. Now, there are few things that we use to confirm as a tool in forex. The first is candlestick confirmation. The second is break and retest. The third is indicators. Now, these are tools that we use to confirm trade. Now, this is where most traders fail. They enter too early without confirmation, or they enter too late without confirmation. So you can use those tools in order to confirm your trade. Now, you have to have it at the back of your mind that stop loss is actually important. So the use of risk management. You need to risk at least 0.1% to 1% of your capital in one trade, which means that your risk to reward ratio should be 1:2 minimum. Even if you are wrong, you lose only small, but when you are right, you win very big. That is how to go about it. You need to trade less. This is the real secret forex trader will not tell you. You need to trade less, because the less you trade, the more your psychology becomes better. Here is the shocking truth here. The more you trade, the more you lose. Low drop down traders don't trade every day. They wait for the best setup for them to enter and trade. Most beginner traders fall into this trap because they chase fast money, they overtrade, they over-risk, and they blow their account. But the real money in Forex comes from consistency, not excitement. It comes from consistency and compounding interest. So simply, you need to risk 0 to 5, 0.5% to 1% of your trade. If you are still in profit with a very low stress, now imagine doing this consistently for months. If you find this video helpful, then you should do the following: share this video, comment on this video, and also like on this video. So if you are to take anything from this video, let it be that Forex is not about making fast money. It's about staying in the game long time enough to win. And the traders who master low drop down are the ones who last in the Forex market. I know you have found this video interesting, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the subscription and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video such as this. I remain Mr. Joshua that teach traders how to trade the smart way.